and them old dirty slug, yeah. They must stop yam down the lime tree. I can't afford it because lime is very, very necessary. One, two, three, four, five. Like a clockwork.
Daddy, where really are going?
Lily girl, you can go back round the corner there for me. And look if you left your manners round there and bring it come with you.
Good morning, Daddy. But this serious, you know?
Just like if you have manners. Remember you can't go nowhere without it.
You got on a goodie the other day, go on?
Lily girl, why you asking where you already know?
Are you send the ancestors them to start showing my vision again?
Not this time.
So why me I see them things here again now?
Denise Ferguson, you gotta give. Whether you want it or not, it is the reality. Welcome to the young Grung.
Daddy, what happened with Goody?
Denise, you think if I didn't know everything I wouldn't tell your friend them from the other day?
Sometimes I just feel stressed out.
Well, that is a cross you will have to bear.
What? Stress?
Yes. In our day we call it cross. Nowadays we not call it stress.
Daddy, how we are going to deal with this?
The vision, or should I say the vision them, might come to you more often than how it will come to me. For you're directly connected to the people them. You are spiritually connected.
Wish me never did connected.
You're pathologically mendacious.
What?
I lie you they tell. For you know say it's only because of how you feel right now.
Me have my own issue for sort out, you know.
Yes, but you have to understand, say your issue connected to people who you call friend.
But Daddy, you look like Goody missing again.
Lily girl, let me explain something to you. It's not everybody who you say missing, really missing. Sometimes people missing because they want to be missing. They're missing because they just want to protect with themselves. You know? Follow the rhythm and take with themselves. Follow the rhythm and take with yourself.
Daddy.
Follow the rhythm and
Daddy.
take.
So we are say, Goody gone somewhere and not tell nobody?
Like me tell your friend them, Goody, she's hurting, but she not hurt. She just need a little time to herself. Something happened, so she just take away herself. Now you and everybody else will have to appreciate that.
I just want to know say she alright.